Today we will discuss about what is psychology and we will discuss about nature-nurture debate, which means how a person is shaped by nature or nurture. Nature means the biological instincts, the biological transfers it gets from its parents, and nurture, and the nurture means the environmental influences and factors. So let's begin the topic. First of all, what is psychology? Psychology is study of human mind and behavior. Study of human mind and behavior. Right. Basically, psychology is, yes, psychology. Many people think that psychology is about mind reading, but it's actually not. It's about science of understanding how human mind respond, how human behavior are given in a society. The simplest definition of psychology is science of mind. Science of mind. It involves about scientific methods to inquire to develop theories about how humans think and behave. Psychology is about the brain and it is about people. Now, coming on the mind, our mind is a source of complex functionings, attitudes, thoughts, emotions, and behavior. Psychology is the science that it attempts to investigate the cause of human behavior. The methods to investigate the causes of human behavior are systematic, rigorous, objective, procedures for observing the human mind, observation, measuring the human mind, and analysis of human mind and behavior. All supported by theoretical underpinnings, explanations, hypotheses, and predictions. Breaking the word psychology, psyche means life. Logia means study of something. Now, first behaviorist controlled lab experiment that were led to identify cause of human behaviors. The mind is a source of whole range of complex and mysterious functions, including attitudes, thought, emotions, and behavior. So psychology is study of all of that. Generally, we have to study human behavior in order to test theory about how mind works, and research in psychology seeks to understand and explain how we think, act, feel. Right? Now, psychologists today explore a wide range of constructs such as perception, thinking, attention, group process, learning, emotion, motivation, brain functioning, personality, behavior, and interpersonal relationships. Now, coming on second topic, nature nurture debate. I am removing this. Now, coming on second topic, nature nurture debate. So, our behavior, attitudes, and traits are determined by inherited traits, that is nature, and the degree to which they are shaped by other influences throughout our lives, that is nature. So, basically, nature in short means inherited traits, and nurture means degree to which they are shaped by our influences. Shaped through influences. Now, basically, psychology, process and conditioning. Behavior attributes that emerge earliest are most likely to be hereditary. Those that emergence later in life as a result of maturation are more likely to be learned. And now we will see about two terms, that is nativist. It means those who adopt most extreme hereditary perspectives and empiricists, those who think all behaviors are shaped by experience. So basically, one of major debates underlying psychology is so-called nature-nurture one. Put simply, a lot of psychology is concerned with the degree to which our behavior, attitude and traits are determined by inherited traits, nature, and the degree to which they are shaped by other influences throughout our life. On one side of debate, you have the structure to explain behavior. On other side, there is behaviorist perspective that states all behavior is learned through conditioning. In general, those behaviors or attributes that emerge the earliest are most likely to be hereditary rather than learned. Those that emerge later in life as a result of maturation are more likely to be learned. So those who adopt the most extreme hereditary perspectives are known as nativists, and their basic assumption is that characteristics of human species as whole are product of evolution and that individual differences are due to each person's unique genetic code. At the other end of the spectrum, there are empiricists who believe that all behavior is shaped by experience. For them, maturation applies only to biological processes rather than to development of such things as personality. So this was all about what is psychology and nature nurture debate. We will see in the next video.